ST-211R is a refrigerated stackable CO2 shaking incubator with washable chamber and external humidification system. 2 optional shaking modes: orbital shaking and linear shaking. SUS-304 stainless steel chamber, flask clamps, door interior and hinges. Aluminum alloy pull-out sliding shaking platform with lock. Big size window with 2-layer certified tempered glass for safety. Heavy-duty door handle. 7-inch color LCD with touch screen. Silent rubber casters for movement. Adjustable legs to keep level on floor. Rubber door seal. 1 fluorescent lamp for chamber illumination. 1 UV lamp for chamber sterilization. Maximum 3 units stacking design. Temperature calibration port. Wi-Fi port, USB export port, LAN interface, RS-485 port. Adjustable ventilation port. Soft start to avoid liquid splash. Automatic stop when the door is opened during running. Automatic run when the door is closed again. 2 special functions are included as standard features: water washable chamber and external humidification system. 1. Water washable chamber. With fully sealed stainless steel construction and water-resistant wire connectors, the chamber can be washed with water. Wastewater can be drained out of the chamber from the discharge outlet port on the back. A water pipe is connected to the discharge outlet on one end and connected to a container on the other end for collecting wastewater. 2. External humidification system. An internal stainless steel water tank is heated to produce vapor and ensure humidity inside the chamber. An external plastic water tank is to supply water. This is water inlet on the back panel. This inlet water tube is connected to water in port and connected to the external water tank on the other end with a dust filter. This is overflow port to discharge water in case the internal water tank is filled with too much water. The overflow water tube is connected to overflow port on one end and connected to the external water tank on the other end. This water out port is to discharge dust when dust is found inside the internal water tank. The water out pipe is connected to water out port on one end. It has a tap on the other end and keep it closed regularly. Just open it to discharge dust once a month. A light shelter is available at the user's option. It can be closed manually to provide dark environment for cell culture.